Hello, Adam Parrish from Bridge Winners here. Welcome to video 3 in my series on learning to play bridge. So first, we're going to start with a quick review. So last time we learned about the scoring. Hearts and spades are the major suits. They're worth 30 points per trick. Remember, that's tricks after book, so starting with the 7th trick. The minors are clubs and diamonds. Those are 20 points. No trump is like the majors, but it gets an extra 10 points. If you have a contract that's worth 100 points, you get a game bonus. That's 300 points. If it's less than game, you get a part score bonus, 50 points. And if you contract for 12 or 13 tricks, that's a slam, and you get 500 or 1,000 points. We use high card points to help determine a hand's strength. 4 for an ace, 3 for a king, 2 for a queen, 1 for a jack. So that's 10 points per suit, 4 points in the deck. We use those high card points to determine how high we want to be. 25 points is the magic number. So if we have more than 25 points, we want to be in a game. If we have more than 32 points, we want to be in a slam. Fewer than 25 points, and we're going to be in a part score. All right, so we look at this bidding ladder again. At the bottom, we have the part scores. 1 spade, 4 clubs, all of these contracts that are worth fewer than 100 points. The game contracts are in the middle, contracts that are worth 100 points or more. And at the 6 and 7 level, those are the slams. 32 points for those, and we get the big bonus. So last time we learned mini bridge. Everyone around the table announces their high card points. The partnership with the most points wins the contract, and the person on that partnership with the most points is the declarer. Dummy comes down, declarer chooses a contract. Remember that you're using bridge scoring, so if you have enough for a game, you want to make a bit of game contract. The minimum contract is 1 no trump. If you have 23 or more points, 2 no trump is the minimum contract. All right. You can practice both the whist and the mini bridge with a group of friends, or if it's just you, you can go onto cinray.com and also check out the Kidda app on Android and Apple. It's a fantastic puzzle-solving game using cards that's really going to be a great introduction to bridge for you. So today, we're going to learn a new game. It's called Hool. It's developed by Parrish, the same guy who developed Kidda, who's just an amazing guy. And so Hool is a great intermediate step between mini bridge and full bridge. And it has the same fundamentals as bridge. 4 people, all the cards, same scoring. The difference is the auction, right? In bridge, the first piece of the hand is we have this auction to determine the contract. And then we play the hand out. In mini bridge, we look at the dummy and then determine the contract and play the hand. In Hool, we're going to have a different sort of auction, a simplified auction to determine the contract. So here's how it works. We have 2 rounds of information sharing before we have our auction to determine the contract. And there's 3 types of information you can disclose. The number of high card points in your hand, your pattern, which means my longest suit is this many cards, and my second longest suit is this many cards. So if I'm 5-3-3-2, I have a 5-card suit, 2 3-card suits, and a doubleton. Doesn't say which suit is which, just says what my longest suits are in order. Or you can disclose the number of cards in any specific suit. So starting with the dealer, everyone goes around the table and says 1 piece of information. And then they go around and do it again. So everyone says 2 pieces of information, but we do it 1 at a time. So after that, after we have this information, bidding happens. And so everyone bids at the same time. And whoever makes the highest bid wins this first round of the auction. Now, what's highest bid? Well, we haven't talked about the auction yet. That's going to be the next video. But here's a quick introduction to it. The 4 suits are ranked alphabetically. Clubs, diamonds, hearts, spades. And then no trump is the highest one. So the lowest bid is 1 club. The highest bid is 7 no trump. We've seen this before, the bidding ladder, right? So the bids go left to right, and bottom to top. So if you bid one heart and I want to outbid you, I can bid one spade or one no trump, or I can bid two clubs, two diamonds, three diamonds, five hearts, anything that's higher. But I can't bid one club or one diamond because that's lower. So everyone bids, and whichever bid is the highest wins that round of the auction. Now the opponents have the option now to outbid them one more time, or they can double. And if the opponents outbid you, you get one more chance to outbid them. Right? You can always, and then everyone has a chance to double or redouble just for fun, right? Once the contract is set, we play like normal bridge. The left-hand opponent of the declarer leads, and then the dummy comes down. This is different from mini bridge. In mini bridge, we put the dummy down first, declarer chooses the contract, and then the lead comes, because we have to see that dummy to choose the contract. In Hool and in regular bridge, we're choosing the contract before the play starts, and so the lead is made blind before we see the dummy. So let's look at an example here. Here's my hand. What pieces of information could I disclose? I could show my 11 high card points, right? Ace, two kings, and a jack is 11. I could say I have 5, 4, 3, 1 shape, right? My longest suit is 5, then a 4, and a 3 and a 1. Or I could show 3 spades, 4 hearts, 1 club, 5 diamonds. So let's say I choose to show my 5 diamonds. My partner shows 17 high card points, and my opponent shows 6 clubs and 4, 3, 3, 2 shape. Okay, let's say I now choose to show my 5, 4, 3, 1 shape, and my partner shows 4 hearts. Wow, that's great. So I know we have a game. Partner has 17 points, I have 11, that's 28 points. So we want to bid a game, and we have a major suit fifth. We have 8 cards in the majors. That's where we want to play. So now it's time for bidding. I bid 4 hearts, right? That's what I think we can make. Partner guesses with 2 hearts, and the opponents bid their clubs. So I won this round of the bidding. But now my opponents have a chance to outbid me, and they do. My left-hand opponent chooses to bid 5 clubs, and now I can double him, I can let him play 5 clubs, or I can bid on. And my partner is going to pass, but I'm going to bid 5 hearts. I think I can do it. So now hearts is the final contract, and I have to take 11 tricks, right? So my left-hand opponent makes a lead, my partner puts down the dummy. How did we do? It actually looks pretty good. It looks like we might have missed a slam. But it looks like we're going to make our contract, which is a good thing. You can play Hool with just a regular deck of cards and 4 people. There's a great board game version that has all the pieces you need. There's a link for it here. There's also an app and a desktop version. You need 4 players for that. You can't do it by yourself. But it's a really beautiful app, and it's a lot of fun. So I really encourage you to try Hool. It's a great bridge between mini bridge and real bridge. So check it out. Keep playing that Kidda app. Keep trying the mini bridge and the whist on Sinray. And next time we're going to start getting into the mechanics of the auction and get into real bridge. So thank you so much. Adam Parrish here from Bridge Winners. We'll see you next time. Bye.